We're catching fireflies. There was one right here, but I don't know where it is.
Find them slow, then you will see them. They like to glow.
He was right in front of you, right in front of you.
You saw the green?
Oh, it's right down the side. Right there it is. There he is. He's going for a ride, isn't he? He is. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah.
Number 2. I like letting them go. I don't like letting them
No, yeah, we let
Number
him
6.
go. Number 6.
I don't like trapping animals.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like trapping animals. He's really playing. Let's get him. I can't see him.
Okay. He was clear over here.
Got it.
Now let's see.
There's a whole net.
Where are you?
Mama.
Alright, it's hot. Oh, see, there he is.
There he is.
In the back of it.
Mama, look. There's a lot.
Little bugs, huh? Okay. Okay. If you're through feeding the birds out in the driveway, would you go bring the container in? Are you done? Okay. All right.
I will get the door.
Okay. Well, we got to go through the garage and lock it up. You want to go that way? Okay. You coming this way?
I'm going with you.
Okay. I bet he's out.
He's out.
He's